Hello everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSC Department at RPIIT Campus Bastada Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today 3 pillars of big data: structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. What is big data? Big data stands for large volume of data. It could be both structured and unstructured. It not about the amount of data, but what business do what with the given data that count. Example of big data. Following are some of the example of big data. Facebook users send roughly 31.25 million messages and watch 2.77 million videos every minute. As you can see, three are pillars of big data: structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. Structured data. Structured data refer to the data which is already stored in database in order manners. It counts for about 20% of data total existing data and is used to most programming and computer related activities. Example of structured data: metadata, time data of certain file size, author, etc. Library catalogs, date, author, place, subject, etc. Census record birth, income, employment, places, etc. Economic data, GPD, PPI, ASX, etc. Unstructured data. Any data with unknown form or structure is classified as unstructured data. In addition to the size being hug, unstructured data poses multiple challenges in terms of its processing for driving value out of it. The rest of data created about 80% of the total amount of unstructured big data. Example of unstructured data: media, MP3, digital photos, audio and video files, text file, word processing, spreadsheet, presentation, etc. Social media data from Facebook, Twitter. Semi-structured data. Semi-structured data is form of structured data that does not conform with the formal structure of data model associated with relational database or other form of data variable, but contain type of other market to separate contains semantic elements and enforce heritage of records and fields within the data. Therefore, it is also known as self-describing structure. As you can notice, internet is a maze of unbounded data, but it can be understood, interpreted and used under these three categories. You can benefit from each type of data if you understand their characteristics and strength. Data reduction. Data reduction techniques are applied to obtain reduced representation of the data set that is much smaller in volume yet closely maintain the integrity of data. Example of decision tree. The decision tree is defined in three subparts. First of all, A4, that is defined in two parts, A1 and A6. A1 is classified in class 1, class 2. A6 defined in class 1, class 2. Reduce attribute set A1, A4, A6. Histograms, a popular data introduction techniques. Divided data into bucket and storage average sum of each buckets can be constructed optimally on one dimension related to quantities problem. Clustering. Data set is clustered and one can store cluster representation only. Can be very effective if data is clustered. Can have hierarchical clustering and be stored in multi-dimensional index tree structure. Sampling. Raw data cluster. Raw data is defined three type of raw data and clustering. That is stratified samples of sampling, cluster and raw data. Thank you so much for watching this video.